I hate talking to old heads at Advance Auto or AutoZones. They don't know shit.
All right, another trip.
Plan didn't even work out the way you needed to, Josh. What in God's name is Josh doing? Now we have a problem. The Laurel doesn't turn on now. YouTube! We're back on the Miata Chronicles. We were working on the Miata. I love you guys for keep on tuning in. We're on the new camera setup. Shit is looking absolutely crisp. I love this. We're here with joshelloo.
Belts.
Belt. I used to get beat by those.
Where's the old ones?
Oh my God. You guys. Oh shit.
Shit.
These things were cooked. This literally flipped around. I don't even know what was going on. So we just cut those shits off. We're literally just gonna like replace them today. Need to continue moving on body work. Josh, he got me a little free battery from work that he stole.
Hey.
It's a total fabrication.
Hey, yo. That shit is not attached down there, you guys. I left this shit open yesterday when it was raining heavy. Turbo is looking real
Rusty.
But tootie.
What the hell is this? Why is it pointing straight up?
How do you guys feel about Tacomas?
Oh, man.
Josh wants a taco.
Chat. How do we feel about the really old ones, though?
But
You know,
why?
you could
Not
jump
even
up-
like the
you
really
could jump
old
up.
Tundras?
No,
You need
yeah,
that V8.
No. Tacoma.
Why?
Specifically.
Why?
Those bodies, you could put a 1J in it and they're fucking...
Okay, now you're going too far.
What?
I thought we were actually gonna like truck with this thing, not fucking...
Drift it?
Yeah, dude, like what the fuck?
What the hell?
I'm smoking and Josh is just handling that thing. It's dirty?
The alternator?
Bro, cause the belt exploded everywhere.
No. It's all that. That right there is fucking belt.
That's all belt right there.
I'm trying to pry it. You see how it goes like in the triangle? Like it goes whoop and then boom.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to pry that so I can fucking keep going.
Yo, if you guys didn't know, this thing is for sale. I did pull off the purple wrap. You can actually still see some purple wrap and so on. I love it. I don't want to get rid of it. But you guys, you don't understand. LS430 been talking to me. Talking. I feel uncomfortable when people look at me while I'm talking to the camera.
I wasn't looking at you this whole time.
I was kidding. I love you. My heart. Anyway, LS430, you guys. But shit, nobody buys it. I'm forced to keep it. This thing's getting paint. Somebody was talking about how this is a base model in my last video, and you're bugged, or one of the two videos I posted recently. This is good. Stance is crazy right now.
I fucking knew it.
When the mechanic says he knows what he's doing.
No, yeah, that's definitely on.
So vlog, I'm not looking and driving, you guys. Tell me if I'm going straight. I got the wrong belt. Bro, I hate talking to old heads at Advance Auto or AutoZones. I swear, they don't know shit. They don't know fucking shit. It's fucking terrible.
After this vlog,
Like,
Advanced Auto sales are good.
yo, L, like L on the freaking head. Like now we gotta go back, third trip. I just went to O'Reilly's earlier and they got me right. So I should've just bought both of the belts there.
All right, another trip. I'm just joshing.
I'm just joshing.
Look.
This nigga said I'm just joshing.
Look at that.
His name is Josh.
This guy.
So that's the one?
That's the one. Remember that part.
I don't want to change it again. I probably won't have to.
See, maybe if you didn't change this shit.
Change what? It came on the car.
Let's,
So how do you tension it, dickhead?
we put the tension on. We put it on.
Should I go get my tension tool?
What is that?
I don't know. Just made it up. I feel like it's a real thing though.
Could be. Alright, hold up. Before, and let me make sure everything's on straight.
And I wonder, you guys like Kanye West? He's kind of crazy, but I love him. You guys are watching, you're tuned in, you're looking at me, you're following me.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Like, but you're not dropping a like, you're not dropping a subscribe, you're not telling me how you feel. Like, you're just watching me. I rock with that. But like, tune in. Wait till what's coming in a couple months. You're gonna enjoy that in multiple different occasions and situations and locations. Like, I'm telling you, we're going around the world, we're rotating, spiraling, gyrating. Woo! YouTube, what's going on? Back with today's sponsor. I just wanted to take a quick second out of my video to actually show this to you guys. This is pretty awesome. This is actually a battery jumper slash air pressure gauge air filler upper. I don't know why I'm having a brain fart. What? What the fuck? But it's also a light, you guys, a freaking light. Check this out. It has 54% right now. This thing is so portable, so light, compared to the old school battery jumpers. Oh my, this is a good 20 pounds or whatever, you guys. This, you guys, you need this in your backseat. You should have this at all times. Let me show you how it works real quick. So right here, you guys, you can actually see that it has the battery jumpers that you can plug right in here. You guys get it, it goes right there. But what we will be using today, just for a quick example on this great product, let's check it out on the project that we're currently working on right now, my 1992 Mazda Miata. You guys, I had this thing forever. It just sits. Tires are always getting flat. So thank God for today's sponsor. We're gonna turn it on. We're gonna connect it. We're gonna hit the mode button. See, right now it's actually at 36 PSI. I need more than, oh, I got the light on right now, you guys. If you're on the side of the highway, turn the freaking light on. Get that thing blinking, you guys. But we're back at the PSI. I'm gonna run up the PSI to about 45. It literally says it's at 0 PSI right now, you guys. Just set it off right there, walk away, and just do what you gotta do. I've been using this right now for about 2 months already, you guys, and I absolutely love it. I don't even go to my big one anymore because this is so versatile, so quick to fill your tires up. It's at 0 PSI right now. I could get it up to 40 PSI in probably like 3 minutes, 2 minutes, you guys. That's so quick. But if you guys are interested in this, today's video sponsor will actually give you
$15 off,
which is a lot. All you have to use is code
Jboivlogs,
or I will drop the link right there for you guys. But thank you for tuning in on that quick little sponsorship. I hope you guys buy it. Thanks for watching the video. Back to the video. Dang, turbo kind of rusty because I let the rain hit it and shit. This dang fucking pipe keeps on coming off. Which one? It's at such a weird angle. You see the turbo should really be clocked a little bit this way. Turbo's aimed that way. I'm trying to put the coupler on straight through the AC, you guys. So, yeah, that's the best. Two best friends in a row. They might kiss. You guys, we're doing some hack shit right now. Pull the Loro battery to put in the Miata.
Because the
Terminals are mad small. Damn, will this even reach?
Is that max? That's max?
Well, I don't want to like OD max. It's stock thing. I'm gonna have to put like a penny through both of these.
A penny? Oh, in the middle? Damn, bro, I didn't know the terminals were that small.
Plan didn't even work out the way you needed to, Josh.
Fuck it, just use that battery for now, so we could at least crank it on. Crank the dog.
We could have cranked it with the other battery.
Oh, well.
Haven't started this thing in like probably like 2-3 weeks, you guys. So I guess you guys are gonna hear it with us. What in God's name is Josh doing right now?
Alright, get ready to turn this bitch back on.
Hell no, you go turn that shit on. I wanna see. What in kind of dinosaur dick is this, bro? Oh, hell no. Put this back on.
Are the lights on?
I swore they were. Yeah, they are. They're just aimed at the floor. You're good. Turn around and go spin that thing. I told you let that car pass you. Where the fuck you driving to?
I'm just spinning it around. Let's take it to the spot. Let's take it to the spot.
Josh said, bring this thing to the warehouse right now.
Take it to the spot. Fucking get this shit going.
Slow down. Slow down. This is the spot right here, but like, you gotta wait till there's nobody. I'd be killing this shit.
There's hella people there. Lights even working? So, I approve this car works. No issues. Come and buy it. 7K. Right now.
7K. If I like you, 7K. If you're a random talking that cash shit, take it. But Josh, now we have a problem.
What's the issue?
The Laurel doesn't turn on now.
Oh yeah, I know. Pop this on.
Joshello came over and actually helped out. He did my belts for me, and we're just talking shit, hanging out. We went on a drive. It's Joshello approved, big approved. And we're sitting here just chilling, drinking a beer, and he's like, yo, I feel like it could have went like harder. I'm like, I mean, I heard that thing spool, and he's like, nah. And he's just sitting here pondering on it, and bro, we're literally like, I'm like, nah, let me grab the flashlight and look. Coupler is literally off. But this guy was drifting the shit out of it. Basically not getting full boost. But we'll fix that tomorrow. Whatever. Simple shit. Still, we're going to work on the bodywork. Don't want to really make this into a series about the bodywork, but it's going to end up turning into a series to make this look better for one of you to potentially buy it. Or I might freaking keep it. Fucking drift it into a freaking wall. Whatever. I don't know. Josh wants me to keep it.
Absolutely.
Other than that, battery got loose. We swapped batteries. Josh was rushing me. I didn't put the 52 zip ties I wanted to hold the battery. Such a fire hazard.
It's gonna go, but damn.
You guys, Josh is like, yo, I wasn't feeling too much boost and shit. And I'm like, nah, that thing was boosting, you guys. Where the fuck is it? The coupler is not freaking connected. It's because we were forcing the top one up. Godly.